If you have made a reservation for a group, or if you're traveling with friends or family and you want to share the booking details with other people in your group, there is an easy way with which you can share the booking details with other people in your group. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that in just a few clicks. The navigation is the same whether you do it from the phone app or from a computer. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, just go over to the top right section. You will see your profile image there. Click on that and then choose trips. That will open up your trips page where you will see your upcoming reservation. Now you don't have to go anywhere else. You will see this button send to guests option. Just click on that. This pop-up will open, which shows you will be able to share the check-in info and all the messages with your hosts so they also can communicate if you are unavailable. Click on send and then it opens few more options. You can either copy this link and send it to the person. You can send it as a message on your phone. You can send it as a Facebook message, a WhatsApp message, email, and there are lots of other options you can just choose from. In my case, I will choose copy link and I will send it to my friend who has booked this stay with me, and they will also be able to communicate directly with the host if I'm not available, or they don't need to wait for me to send a message to the host. It's fairly easy once you know how to do it. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye.